is up, you guys? ShelbyKay here, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another vlog. Take two. I already filmed this intro once, but it wasn't recording. So, we are going camping. It is my birthday weekend. Today is Friday. My birthday is on Monday, and we decided to take off and go camping for the weekend because I haven't been camping since last year, but that was like the only time I've been camping in the last few years. So our original plan did not work out the way we wanted to. The place we originally wanted to go to, the road to get there is currently closed because it's under construction. But it looks like there's maybe another way around on the other side, but we don't have service right now, so we don't know for 100% certainty. So we're just kind of driving around in the area. There's a couple other campgrounds that we're just kind of checking out, but I think we decided we're gonna try to get back down to at least where we have service and maybe see if we can go around the other side of the lake that we're looking at. So that's kind of the plan where we're at. Just gonna hang out this weekend, camp, have some fun. Got Archer with us. He's ready to get out of the car. The other two are at home because Harley's too anxious and Maverick is just not very good to take places. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun weekend, and we'll see if we can find somewhere to camp tonight. Okay, update. We did end up going the back way and getting into where we wanted to camp, so we are all set up. I'm just chilling in the tent, and the sun's going down, and it's really just like nice and cool and ready to chill out for the night. So let me give you guys a camp tour real quick. All right, there's our tent set up. There's Archer, our coolers, all our food. Got our table set up, our cooking, the fire, bathrooms are there. Pretty good setup. So yeah, that's our camp setup. I'm ready to relax, maybe start a fire in a little bit, cook some hot dogs. It's gonna be a fun time. So the place where we are camping is called Ice House Reservoir, and it's in Pollock Pines, California, or near Pollock Pines, California, and it is absolutely gorgeous. As you guys can see, we're walking down to the beach right now. I'm gonna throw the ball for Archer, but this is gorgeous. Give you guys a nice panoramic span of the thing. He's gonna trip over a rock. He's gonna trip over a rock. Morning, guys. It is now the next day, and we are up and about and headed to Apple Hill, which is like a big loop of farms, and they have lots of fall festivities. We went a couple years ago. It was a lot of fun, so we're going to go again because it's not too far from where we're camping. So that's where we're headed. We're going to stop and get some coffee first because we attempted to make coffee this morning and it was not very good. So stop and get some coffee, then head to Apple Hill. That's the plan. I'm excited. Got a flight of ciders here. We're gonna try them.
Which ones did you get?
All of them.
That's all of them?
Mm-hmm.
Because there's 14 different ones.
No, they only had certain ones on the list.
So what is this?
That one's apple.
Just apple?
Mm-hmm.
Strong. What's that one?
That one's peach. No, that one's raspberry.
Sure, that one's not raspberry?
That one says 3 on it. Okay, apple, raspberry. That one's boysenberry.
Okay.
Boysenberry. Okay. This one's peach. This one's good. This one's blackberry, which is my favorite.
Who are you talking about?
My camera. And then last but not least, we have blueberry. That's pretty good too.
Alright, better finish them quick before they get too hot.
Alright, we are back at camp now. Didn't stay at Apple Hill too long. I did the cider flight, then we stopped at one other place and bought some apples, but it was just really crowded and Archer was very overstimulated and it was hot, so we didn't hang out too long. We may go back on Monday after we pack up camp because it'll probably be less busy. But we'll see how it goes. So we came back to camp and took a little nap, and now we're up. We're going to take Archer back down to the beach so he can actually swim because he didn't get to swim this morning, and then come back and probably make dinner. I don't really know what else the plan is for the evening, but that's the plan thus far. So definitely needed a nap. I was feeling pretty tired from walking around in the heat. Now I feel much better. tired, boy? Did you have a long day?
It's a good thing I brought that pad for you, huh?
Guess I'm recording. Okay.
Huh?
Said I guess I'm recording. Okay.
You got hair tie. Leave one for back here.
Going man bun?
Not really man bun. It's not long enough for that. It's just to keep my hair out.
I do. I just don't know where it's at. I have the one in my hair, but I have a scrunchie somewhere. Made some dinner. Had some short s'mores. Now I just chilling by the campfire. I was thinking of reading my book, but it's getting dark fast, so I don't know if that's gonna work. But we'll see. This campground has no running water, so I'm having to use a water bottle to wipe my makeup off. Afternoon. It is now the next day. We had a very lazy morning and early afternoon. Just kind of woke up, chilled by the fire. I read my book, we made some breakfast, and then I just laid outside and read some more and then took a nap. So it's about 3:30 and now we're out exploring more of the area around the campground. We just stopped at this lookout. I'll put the footage I took of the view. It was pretty. Now we're going back down the hill and we're just going to see what kind of cool stuff we can find in this area. Like a random boat with a rock in it. Interesting. Alright, we're back at camp now. Didn't explore a whole lot, but that's okay. Gonna continue to read my book. We're just chilling in the tent. And it's probably gonna be a lazy rest of the night. So I may or may not get more clips, we'll see. Otherwise I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, it is now Monday night. Didn't really film anything else last night. We did have a very lazy evening. And then today we just came home, we showered. My hair is nice and clean and styled for the week. Just kind of chilled out and packed everything. We went to sushi because it's my birthday today, and now I just got back home. Yeah, that's basically been our day. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Hopefully I got some decent footage for you guys and was able to make a decent vlog out of this, but
If you guys are not already subscribed, please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also be sure to check out my TikTok and my Instagram, which will be linked down below. As always, I appreciate you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.